How to install Flix Vision on Firestick. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways for you to be able to install third-party application, which is Flix Vision, onto your Firestick TV. So first things first, if you go ahead and head straight into your Firestick application store, Flix Vision is actually not available. So what we will be doing is we're going to be downloading it via third-party application. Now you're just going to have to pull up your Firestick app store, and then you're gonna need to look for the downloader application. Once you successfully downloaded downloader app, access it, and this is gonna be its interface. All you have to do from the box, instead of typing a URL, you're gonna just need to type in the code, which is gonna be Flix Vision without space. Now once you hit on go, it will automatically scan, and once you downloaded it, it will usually go into connecting, and then you just need to manually install it, like how you install applications or APK files on your Android device, and then simply run the FlexVision application. And that's it. That's how you install FlexVision in your Fire Stick.